People are hospitalized with COVID-19 in the United States than at any other point during the pandemic. Experts say the numbers will continue to get worse because of holiday travel. As Britt Conway reports, the White House Coronavirus Task Force is sounding the alarm.
Another grim milestone. According to the COVID Tracking Project, on Saturday, more than 91,000 people were in the hospital with coronavirus. That's the highest number recorded since the pandemic began.
About 20% of all people in the hospital have COVID, so this is a really dangerous time.
Experts say the spread of coronavirus has been climbing at concerning rates this month and could get worse due to holiday travel, with many people traveling Sunday on what could be the busiest travel day since the pandemic started. As of Sunday, nearly 13.3 million people in the U.S. have been infected by the virus, and more than 4 million of those cases were reported in the month of November alone. That's according to data from Johns Hopkins University.
We're going to be regularly hitting 2,000 deaths per day, but then going up to 3,000 deaths and 4,000 deaths per day. We know when hospital staff starts to get overwhelmed, that's when the death rates really go high.
Meanwhile, the White House testing czar, Admiral Brett Giroir, says there should be enough COVID-19 vaccines for 20 million people by the end of the year. And while researchers and officials work to get that vaccine out to the public, the Admiral says the best defense against the virus's spread is following preventative measures.
The light is at the end of the tunnel, but the American people have to do the right things until we get that vaccine widely distributed. Wear a mask, avoid indoor crowded spaces, all the things you know.
Britt Conway, KMBC 9 News.
A CDC advisory committee will hold an emergency meeting on Tuesday. Members will vote on which groups of people should get a COVID-19 vaccine first when one gets authorized by the FDA. Dr. Anthony Fauci says the United States is more than prepared to get the vaccine to the American people.
We have a long history of the distribution of vaccines. I mean, it's not to the extent that you're giving it to 300 million people, but every year the system is set up in a relationship between the CDC and the state and local health authorities that they distribute 80 million or more vaccines every year.
New tonight, the largest school system in the nation will open for in-person learning next Monday. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio made the announcement today, just 2 weeks after he said schools were shutting down. This change applies to preschool, kindergarten, and elementary school students. Many local school districts will go back to remote learning this week. Middle and high school students in the Olathe School District will learn online starting tomorrow. The district says this will last through the end of the semester. Elementary students will stay in the classroom. After-school activities and sports will continue for middle and high school students on a voluntary basis. The Shawnee Mission School District is also sending all middle and high school students back to remote learning tomorrow. This will last until January 22nd. The district says the number of cases in the county and the number of staff in quarantine or isolation is making it hard to conduct in-person learning. Elementary students will continue learning in the classroom. And the Blue Valley School District is doing something similar. Tomorrow, middle and high school students will be learning from home again until the end of the semester. Early childhood and elementary schools will stay with in-person learning. Now, we know it can be difficult to keep up with these changes. KMBC 9 has you covered on our mobile app. Just click on the coronavirus tab. You can also visit KMBC9.com.